Recently, someone asked me, do you think I can build a retaining wall in my yard even though I have never done it before? Well, that's a great question and a very popular project to do out in your yard. You know, masonry is typically needed for laying brick or cinder block and stone. It can be learned by do-it-yourselfers, but it's a fairly precise and demanding skill. Using landscape blocks designed for dry stacking is a much simpler method for homeowners to master, and it's ideal for simple projects like retaining walls and maybe raised planting areas. Blocks designed for these walls often have a lip on one edge that helps position them. This design is great for retaining walls because it allows the wall to lean into the weight of the soil on the uphill side. To prevent the block from moving from side to side, you simply add a little landscape adhesive, a type of construction adhesive designed specifically for this application, between the courses of block. Unlike mortar in masonry, the adhesive doesn't affect the level or height of each course, so it requires less skill to apply.